Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 Oscar-nominated performances in horror movies.
The misery now.
In recent years, critically acclaimed horror films like Hereditary and Us have been snubbed by Oscar voters despite featuring some amazing performances. Regardless of their genre, it was agreed that these performances were worth highlighting as being truly great. Though a rare occurrence, it is always nice to see the horror genre getting some recognition. Kathy Bates, Misery. Even Stephen King, one of the most popular writers in horror, doesn't get much attention from the Oscars when his films are adapted. However, there was no denying the power of Kathy Bates' performance as Annie Wilkes in Misery. Wilkes is a lonely and deranged woman who rescues her favorite author from a car accident and lets him recapture it in her home. But soon the author finds he is being held captive. Bates does an amazing job with a performance that leaves you on your toes. Linda Blair, The Exorcist. Seeing as The Exorcist is considered one of the best horror films ever made, it's not too surprising that it managed to break the Oscars' prejudice against the genre. While Alan Burstyn and Jason Miller received nominations, the standout performance is certainly Linda Blair as Regan. Blair does a fine job playing Regan as the sweet and innocent young girl, but it is when Regan becomes possessed by a demon that Blair's talents really shine through. Janet Leigh, Psycho. Alfred Hitchcock delivered one of the most iconic and shocking horror movies of all time with Psycho. While Hitchcock's brilliant talent is certainly the major reason for the film's legacy, Janet Leigh's role as Marion Crane cannot be overlooked. For much of the movie, Leigh is the protagonist as we follow this young woman who flees the big city and stops in at the Bates Motel. Leigh's performance as one of the first Scream Queens makes it all the more shocking when she's killed off halfway through the film.
I think that
Haley Joel Osment, The Sixth Sense. Filmmaker M. Night Shyamalan became one of the hottest directors in Hollywood with his massively successful horror film, The Sixth Sense. Two lasting aspects of this excellent film is the shocking ending and Haley Joel Osment's performance. Osment plays a lonely young boy who is tormented by his ability to see dead people. For such a young actor, Osment brings so much heartbreaking intensity to the pivotal roles. Even his delivery of the line, "I see dead people," is an unforgettable moment in film history.
people who can see them. So you need to.
Daniel Kaluuya, Get Out. Jordan Peele's directorial debut, Get Out, is a recent example of a horror film that is so impactful it manages to get the Oscars' attention. Daniel plays a young black man who joins his white girlfriend on a trip to meet her family. Things quickly turn bizarre. The movie brilliantly balances social commentary with some pretty outlandish ideas. However, the whole thing is grounded by Daniel's honest and astounding performance. He mixes humor, heroics, and heartbreaks all into this stunning breakout roles.
Just get the keys.
I don't know where they are.
Sissy Spacek, Carrie. Another Stephen King adaptation that is considered a horror masterpiece by many is Carrie. Sissy stars as the titular high school girl whose harsh upbringing by her religious mother makes her a social outcast. As she continues to get tormented by her classmates, she discovers she possesses incredible powers. Spacek has a very different role, playing the victim for much of the movie before becoming a terrifying monster.
It will be a dream come true.
Anthony Hopkins, The Silence of the Lambs. In The Silence of the Lambs, audiences were given one of the most cinematic villains of all time in the form of Hannibal Lecter. While most of the film follows Jodie Foster's young FBI agent tracking a serial killer, the movie's highlights are whenever Lecter appears on screen. Hopkins creates a villain who is unsettling to look at with his probing and hungry eyes, yet we cannot take our eyes off him. It's not surprising Hopkins managed to win the Best Actor trophy with just 16 minutes, as it is a commanding performance.
What is it?
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.